The message of Shembe was simply this: cleave to Jehovah.
Amen.
Serve him. Love him. Pray to him. And listen carefully to his words. Free from sexual immorality. Be honest. Respect and love one another. Be obedient to parents and high authorities. Resist the desire for money. Restrain the tongue. Work diligently. Be kind to animals. Be merciful and full of compassion. Be humble and forgive one another.